Welcome to this guide on how to manage your PHP settings in DirectAdmin. To get started, log into your control panel. Now scroll to the Account Manager. Click on PHP Settings. From here, you will easily change your PHP version by clicking on this drop-down menu and choose the one that you'd like to switch to. Once you've selected the one you want, just click on Update Version. Alternatively, if you have PHP Selector installed on your server, scroll down to Extra Features within your DirectAdmin panel, then click on Select PHP Version. Give the system time to load and you'll find yourself on this page here. Normally, you will see this message, especially if the version of PHP that you are loading is the native version. If you wish to switch to a different version, click this drop-down menu and pick the version that you want, and then click Apply. Before clicking Apply, you can always check on the options that are available so that you are able to take the PHP plugins that will help you support the application or the system that you wish to load on your control panel. That's it for now. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more